word. Okay, thank you. Yes, now it is the branches. Which one are the branches? Uh, this this is the branch. This is the branch. This is also called a branch. This is also called a branch. This is a branch. This is a branch. So this is also a branch. This is also a branch. This is also a branch, or this is also a branch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10, 11, and that is 12. This is the circuit elements, 12. But you have to say the branch. Look, this is totally, it is considered a branch. Look, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, branch is 12. Now for the mace, which one is the mace? Look, mace is, this one is the mace, mace 1, this one is the mace 2, and this is the mace 3. So mace is 3. And if you told which one are the loop, say loop is so many that I am showing. Look, this is a loop L1, this is a loop L2, this is also a loop that is L3, this is a loop that is L4, this is a loop that is L5, and this one also a loop, outer loop, that is L6. So number of loop is 6. So guys, I think you can get the total idea of this of elements of circuit.
मेश और लूप में क्या डिफरेंस है सर?
मेश एंड लूप में क्या डिफरेंस है? देखो, मेश होता है एकदम एलिमेंटरी, मींस ओनली इट विल नॉट बी डिवाइडेबल. से दिस इज, here is a loop, okay, because any closed path is called a loop. So this is a loop 3, but this is a, look, this is a small loop, this is a loop 1, this is a loop 2, okay, any closed path. But which one is the maze? Maze is the only single element, it will not be dividable again. This loop is dividable by 1 and 2, but loop 1, is this loop is dividable? No, it is a single loop, means elementary element, only single. जो बोला जाता है ना एटम, एटम होता है एकदम एलिमेंटरी, तो ये होता है एलिमेंटरी. सो loop is loop, outer loop can be considered as a loop, but it is not a maze. Only this is maze 1, this is maze 2. You can't divide it, this maze. Look, M1 is a maze, but you can't divide it. But in this loop, it is dividable by this maze, this maze. Could you understand? Hello.
Yes sir.
Okay, so this is a maze 1, this is a maze 2, this is a maze 3, but you can't say this is totally a maze 4. No, it is not exist because it is divided by 3 more maze. Maze is the ekdam least element जिसको तुम और डिवाइड नहीं कर पाओगे, तब वो मेस हो जाएगा। और लूप क्या होता है? एनी क्लोज पाथ, इफ देयर इज दिस इज a circuit, then this is not a loop, not a mesh, because it is not closed. Okay, so I think you get this idea. And there is another thing to say. Look, there is a sign convention. Okay, minus to plus, if it is rise in voltage. Look, in the battery, if it is minus to plus, okay, but in the circuit, if it is connected in the circuit, it is plus to minus. Okay, so in this case it is treated as rising voltage, because from negative to positive, but outside of this circuit there is a positive to negative, so fall in voltage. So rise in voltage is treated as plus, and fall in fall in voltage is treated as negative sign. So if you give this sign, if you put this is positive, then you have to consider this R as a negative. Okay, because you have to write down the equation for the mesh and the loop analysis. So guys, up to this, I end this, because next class will be started. Okay, or more 2 or 3 minutes. Just write down this. A rise in potential can be assumed to be positive positive while a fall in potential can be con considered. Look, what is the potential difference? Just like a two tank. I am saying this for the EC department students. Look, if there is a tank is there, if the height is difference, then only water will flow. Likewise, if there is a potential in this is, say this is 220 volt, and this is the 0 volt or any volt, say lower than this, if you connect this, then only current will flow, I current will flow. But if there is a 220 volt, and if it is also a 220 volt, then no current will flow. So you have to give some potential difference. Maybe it is negative, maybe it is 0, maybe it is any lower value. Okay, then only current will flow. This is the potential difference concept. So if I draw this circuit, if I draw this for your convenience, this is your battery, this is